way to see and know what this everything ether and everything is all about is to be a part of the journey.
Okay, so where do I start? Okay, yeah, I got an interesting question from one of the everything movement followers who asked me if I was high during the podcast one. Well, to answer that question, it's both a yes and no. No, I wasn't under the influence of any external mind-altering substance. But yes, I was in a relaxed state due to natural chemicals in my body called endorphins. Which, endorphins, that's what the body produces. Especially when deprived of sleep.
Endorphins are endogenous opioid peptides.
Too. I just wanted to mention that they're produced in the body's nervous system, actually the central nervous system to be specific. They're also produced in the pituitary gland.
Endogenous opioid peptides are
natural molecules in the body. They bind to the opioid receptors, including enkephalins, endorphins, dynorphins, which are all produced in different areas of the body. They're responsible for reducing pain perception, promoting feelings of pleasure, and modulating mood. Yes, I was naturally high after being awake for 28 hours straight. I'm always floating after 28 hours straight. And it's at this time when I wind down that it's perfect to speak to you for a few minutes about the process of EverythingEther and crypto quick news. So I'm happy to announce that Crypto Time Travelers, the story of pituitary and the creation of Ethereum is finally written and will be released real soon. Make sure to keep an eye out for that. As always, I'm working on doing my best to provide you with the best crypto-related content.
The best way to know what EverythingEther is really all about is to just be a part of the journey.